Good morning, everyone. Wednesday. Gosh, I don't even know, December something. Heading to PRI 7 a.m. Wanted to leave at 5. My son was supposed to come with me, help me out with the camera, but he is taken ill overnight and is not doing good, so tried to wait a little bit longer to see if he could make the trip. He's got fluids coming out of top and bottom, so no way he's up for a 10-hour car ride. So got 10 hours to think of how we're going to recover the show. If you see NC ProModer, these ridiculous looking glasses, you know that's how we're covering the show. Meta glasses. So we got 600 plus miles to Indy. Decided to leave Whitey at home, rented me a little car, so we're gonna scoot and boot. I'll check in with you later across the state line. Thanks to all our coverage partners. Welcome aboard Kinetic Engineering. Pretty cool. 27 of the 32 Pro mods. The snowbirds were associated with Kinetic, so that's awesome. That's the type of people we need to build our brand with. So don't forget, NC ProModer, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. Need to look at some other streaming platforms as well. So here we go. The road to Indy. Arrival time 5 hours, 5:19. Bummer. Who's gonna buy me dinner is all I want to know. I assume I'll buy it myself. We'll catch you guys later. Thanks again for watching. Road to Indy. Traveling update number 1. Just a few minutes from the Virginia state line. 478 miles to go. So I guess we've been 150 miles or so. Probably a good thing we got delayed this morning. It's already foggy up here, so it could have been terrible. Got a little snow on the mountains over there. We don't see much snow where I live, so I always enjoy looking at that. So traffic's been smooth so far, running ahead of schedule. Knocked 9 minutes off my arrival time thus far, so gotta be happy with that. Even stopped and took a pee. So we're just about into Virginia. Well, radar detector's illegal. We are into Virginia now. So thanks for riding along. Looking forward to seeing a lot of you at PRI. We'll try to get this out tonight. Sorry I got a lifesaver in my mouth. I wasn't thinking. So let's see how froggy it's gonna be. As you can tell, the old mountain heading up to Whitville, Virginia, Bluefield, West Virginia, is getting 8 miles from Fancy Gap. Black ice possible, use caution. Yeehaw. So does that mean run the speed limit or run 10 over? What's your thoughts on that? Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one. Snow. Good morning. Update number 2. 400 miles to go. Coming into the great state of West Virginia. Some snow on the ground. Sure does look mighty pretty. Then we're gonna have to pay some tolls. Yeehaw. So things are going well. Picked up another minute or two. Gonna have to make a stop here and look for some things here shortly, but enjoy the ride. The snow is beautiful. Just crossed over into West Virginia. Welcome back. Just crossed over into Ohio on 35 North. As you can see, the weather is taking a beautiful turn. 41 degrees and raining pretty good. Looks like we should drive out of it in another 100 miles or so. Making pretty good time. 250 miles to go. 4:30 arrival. Stop and get some gas here in about another 50, 75 miles. Roll on in. Appreciate you riding along. NC ProModer travel vlog. Heading to PRI, Indianapolis, Indiana. PRI 2025. Don't forget, we'll be at the Quarterbacks Racing booth tomorrow morning for the 10 a.m. reveal of the Pro Mod. So if you can't watch it live, in person, watch it on the internet. Thanks to Quarterbacks Racing for allowing us to collaborate with them on this historic event. So let me pay attention to the road, and we'll get back at you when we got something important to say or to show you. Thanks again. Bye. Alright, time for another update. 193 miles to go to the Walmart we got to pick something up at for my friends at Drag Race TV. I got to tell you, we stopped and got some gas back there. Not too far inside the Ohio line. Nothing like driving close to 400 miles and got $30 worth of gas. That was unbelievable. 11 gallons. Whitey to 3,500 would have sucked 100 up probably. So the little rental car is doing good. As you can see, gray and gloomy but dry. Doesn't look like it's rained much here. We are heading toward West Dayton, Ohio. And then it's off to Indy. Hope you enjoy these vlogs. Just playing with these metal glasses we got. So if you're around me this weekend and you see the light blinking, watch what you say, because you're on TV. Okay, we'll check back in with you later. Indy, PRI 2025, here we come. One last check-in. 2.9 miles to go, but it's going to take 20 minutes. Only slowdown we had all day. I'm going to call it a successful trip. Hopefully we can make the last 2.9 miles. Hope you enjoyed the ride. We'll show you the Airbnb when we get in there later. So, you know the deal. Like, share, subscribe. NC ProModer travel vlog number 2. PRI 2025 starts tomorrow. Make sure you come to the Quartermax booth 10 a.m. for the unveiling of the ProMod. You're gonna like it. I guarantee. Bye. Alrighty, we finally made it to Indy. This is where we're staying, a place called The Block. Robin Roberts and his wife are downstairs from me. Fab Freak Photos is, I think Fab Freak. Or Mr. Fabulous, excuse me. Mr. Fabulous is upstairs. Here's our loft bedroom. Nice bathroom. Place has 1-bedroom loft. 4 nights, really reasonable. Way cheaper than staying at a hotel. So, couple couches, couple TVs, table used for storage, refrigerator, washer, dryer around here. So everything's looking good. We made it safely, thank God. Parking was a disaster here, but we got it figured out. Hope you enjoyed the ride.